Stop your cough tonight in 10 seconds. Today, I share 5 nurse hacks. Hi, I'm Nurse Anna. Let's get straight to height. Gravity is the key. Elevate your head with 2 pillows while sleeping. It helps prevent mucus from irritating with throat. Honey is a natural shield. Don't spill it. Take 1 spoonful for your throat. Spoonful and safe. Not for children under 1 year. Warm salt water is effective. Stir it as well and gargle. Inhale steam from a hot shower, but keep it short. Don't use the wrong medicine. Know the difference. Expectorant vs suppressant. Watch for red flags. Parkinson, struggling to breathe. Go to the doctor immediately. Follow for more texts.